Go make a hot coffee.
Popping her pimple. Nasty girl. What the fuck? The door just opened mysteriously by itself?
No, I opened it.
Ah. Missy. Come here, Missy. Missy, Missy, Missy. 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 Damn, girl. Face down, ass up. 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 Yo, what it do? What it do?
You're so gay.
You gay, bitch. The hell? She got a doubt.
Why you have to
She
get
got a
all
doubt. She got a doubt. She got a doubt. What's up, girl? How you doing?
Have you heard Raise Your Weapon dubstep? Raise Your Weapon is a dubstep. No. Raise Your Weapon is a dubstep song.
Do you want to hear the difference?
After this. I feel like I gotta get such a bum with this shit on.
Well, you don't. Oh, wait, no, I don't have
Look
it.
at the shirt. Look how loose the shirt is, right? You see how loose the shirt is? This is an extra small.
It's not loose.
My t-shirt is not loose. This isn't loose?
To me, that's normal. This is tight. This is loose. What are you trying to do? Why do you always do that?
Because there's a dance to that.
Okay, can I show you now?
After I'm done listening to it, I love this song.
Raise Your Weapon is not dubstep. Bitch!
Scary. Bunch of dorks.
Oh, now whip your hair.
Wait, are you ready?
Wait.